In order to avoid the uneven up and down formation underneath the presser foot and be pushed away, so I put a thin newspaper underneath of it to try to create a more homogeneous surface for the feeddog to grab. And this newspaper came from the shoe insole socks that I was using earlier. By doing that, I can try to reduce the waste, zero waste. Cutting is pretty much what I'm also aiming for. And since there is a height difference between the machine sewing surface and the foot pedestal, so I use my textbooks. So I'm joking that for all the years learning French and physics, finally I have some good use for it.